In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use and modify our templates. With over 70 templates to choose from inside of That Clean Life Starter Plan, we make it easy to quickly get started with your meal planning needs. Click on the Templates tab to see all of the templates available. You can use the filters to apply tags or your own keywords to find what you need. For example, if you'd like to find templates that are high in fiber, you can enter the keyword high fiber. You can also apply additional tags if needed. The more keywords and tags you apply, the narrower the search results will be. You can also access templates from within the Planner tab. Click on New and Template. You can enter a title to find a template that fits your needs. Please note to use the keyword search, you must be within the Templates tab. Back in the Templates tab, select the template title to view everything that your template contains. Each of our templates comes with a done-for-you meal plan, a grocery list, recipes, a prep guide, and supporting evidence. The evidence covers any key considerations or key nutrients we focused on in the creation of this template. You can click on any underlined word to see the scientific article that was consulted. If you'd like to send this evidence to your client with their meal plan, be sure to save it as a snippet. Click the preview button to view the meal plan. To make changes to the plan, you'll first need to make a copy of it. To do this, click the copy button. From here, you can rename the plan. You can also scale it to feed up to 4 people. Next, click the copy plan button. Now that you have made a copy of the template, you can start modifying it to meet your client's needs. When copying a template, all of its tags will be copied forward as rules for your plan enabling smart mode. For example, if you're copying a plant-based template, the vegan tag will be copied forward as a rule to ensure that they are only shown recipes in the planner that are vegan. If you'd like to save these rules for future use, be sure to save them as a bookmark. Click Create Bookmark and your tags and ingredient exclusions will be saved under the Bookmarks tab. You can quickly apply your tags and ingredient exclusions within the planner for future meal plans or within the Recipes tab. You can also modify the tags and ingredient exclusions of a template. You can add either items to update your plan. For example, if your client is allergic to blackberries, you can exclude blackberries. When you save your changes, the recipes will not retroactively update. So be sure to navigate to the list to remove any of the recipes that no longer meet your updated rules. Click on the ingredient to see the recipes that contain that ingredient, and then select one of the recipes to be brought back to the planner. Click the icon with the 3 dots and select Remove from Plan. Repeat until the ingredient is fully removed from the list. You can also remove a recipe from multiple days by selecting the recipe photo and deselecting the days of the week. To add a recipe, click into the Open Meals slot and use the search box to find a recipe. All of the recipes shown will meet your rules. You can also click on the Recipes tab and use the filters to find a recipe. Be sure to apply the same tags as your SMART rules so the recipes shown match your SMART rules. You can quickly do this by applying the bookmark you saved earlier. As you modify the plan, the grocery list will be updated in real time. If you'd like to customize the labels from within your planner, click into any row or column header and enter the customized label. Select Enter and then Edit Label to save your changes. When your plan is complete, click Share. Turn on sharing and be sure to modify any share settings you'd like your client to have. If you'd like to add any attachments, like the evidence snippet you earlier created, click on Attachments. Copy the link and share it with your client in email or using your practice management software. When your client clicks the link, they will see the curated meal plan, their grocery list, and the recipes that you have provided. And that's how easy it is to use and modify That Clean Life's templates.